Hello, my name is Jasmine and this is Cover 4's manager Sam.
Hello.
This video marks the 7th instalment of Cover 4 Caravan's new YouTube series. In this video, Sam and I will be talking about caravanning for beginners. But before we get into the video, remember that you can find us on our website at cover4caravans.co.uk or by clicking the link in the bio.
This month's video is for those of you who are new to caravanning. So if you've just got your hands on a touring caravan, or if you're looking into buying one and you want to find out more about caravanning, then continue watching as Jasmine and I will be discussing a few tips and tricks that we think caravanners should know. We will also be discussing a few tips and tricks about caravan insurance, as we here at Cover 4 Caravans are an insurance company. So we like to think we know what we're talking
The
about.
first caravanning tip is for when you're out and about with your caravan. When you're travelling with your touring caravan, there are a few necessary steps you must take to ensure the safety of your caravan. If you leave your caravan unattended on site but still attached to the towing vehicle, you might want to look into purchasing either a wheel lock or a wheel clamp. Additionally, if you unhitch and go out for the day, then a hitch lock may also need to be fitted. When it comes to your awning, while they are good at providing additional living space, they are not secure locations for your possessions, and if your possessions are left out under your awning, they may not be covered for theft or damage. Awnings are also not particularly robust structures, and they can be easily damaged by bad weather. So perils such as storm damage might not be covered by insurers if you were to leave your awning up and unattended. Always be particularly careful at motorway service stations, both in the UK and abroad, and never leave your vehicle or caravan unlocked while you're paying for fuel. This is particularly important if you're travelling alone. Another essential would be breakdown cover, which extends to your caravan, so that if your car broke down, and you will be able to tow the caravan and the cost will be included in your cover.
If you have been researching caravans for a while, you may have heard or seen the word CASOA pop up from time to time. CASOA stands for the Caravan Storage Site Owners Association, and they provide secure parking for caravans over the winter season. The association sites can be found throughout the country. Sites like these typically offer parking in a secure fence and gated area with CCTV and security lighting, plus strictly controlled access. Some may also offer garaging and service facilities, as well as catering for long and short stay durations. Here at Cover 4, we offer discounts on your caravan insurance if you store your caravan at a CASOA approved site. So these sites are definitely worth looking into.
The state of repair of your caravan is not only important if you're going on a trip, but it can also be a determining factor if you ever needed to make a claim. Most insurers will state on their terms and conditions that your caravan must be in a good state of repair to receive a payout. Your primary aim, though, should be to safeguard the investment you've already made in your caravan. A well-maintained caravan might have a higher resale value than a poorly maintained equivalent if you were ever thinking about selling it on in the future. If you recently bought your caravan from new, then an annual check by the dealership may have formed part of your purchase contract, so it's worth checking with the dealership if it's something that they offer. There are, of course, lots more things to think about when it comes to caravanning. We have lots of videos on our channel to do with a varied amount of subjects, from awnings to caravan security, so please feel free to check out our channel if you're wanting some more information.
Getting the value of your caravan correct when you insure it. One of the main mistakes that people make when insuring their caravan, whether it's bought from new or bought from second hand, is making sure to note down the correct valuation of the van. This applies whether you're insuring your caravan at market value or new for old value. If the sums insured is not correct and you have to make a claim, this could mean that you have to pay out more than just the excess to make up for the fact that you have underinsured your caravan. With prices of caravans fluctuating constantly, this is one of the most important things to check with your insurer. Some insurers, including here at Cover 4, offer the ability to check the current valuation of second-hand caravans, so it might be worth giving your insurer a call if you're worried or interested in knowing the valuation of your caravan.
European travel. With the world being much more openly available to travel after a few years of COVID lockdowns, many people are choosing to take their touring caravans abroad again, which is a great thing. From an insurance perspective, you just need to make sure that your insurance is up to date and that it does include European travel. Our insurance cover here at Cover 4 comes with the European cover included as standard, but some insurers do not offer this as standard, so it's always best to check. It is also a good idea to check the length of European cover included in 1 year's worth of cover. We offer 240 days per year of cover for the European Union here at Cover 4, but of course this does vary with different insurers.
What is insured under your contents insurance? This also varies depending on your insurer, so it's always best to check. But with our insurance here at Cover 4, under your contents cover, we cover such things as your general camping equipment and anything you keep in your caravan will usually be covered. Gas canisters and things kept outside of your caravan are not usually included, so check with your insurance provider before adding these things into your contents insurance totals. Valuables such as mobile phones and laptops may not be covered either, but sometimes items such as these can be insured separately under a home insurance plan. So this is also worth checking with your provider to see if there's something they may offer.
So that does conclude our video for the month. We hope it was both informative and interesting to watch. We talked a little bit about our monthly mailer, news from the pitch in this video. If you'd like to sign up to receive our mailer, which is full of helpful caravan advice, caravan related news and travel tips, get into contact with us and we'll sign you up. It's free and you can unsubscribe at any time. As usual, if you have any questions or comments, please leave us a message below or get in contact with us via the email address or phone number in our bio. And don't forget to check out the website as well. You can find us at cover4caravans.co.uk. Thank you for watching and we'll see you next month.
See you later, guys.